Yes.
Start up. So hello everyone, I'm Sai Harshith along with my teammate Mohit Kumar. Today we're going to present on a topic called mitigation pipeline hazards, strategies from safety and compliance for a COA assignment for second year. So moving to the first topic.
So the first we basically see the introduction to the pipeline hazards. So pipeline hazards are significant risk to safety and the environment. Understanding these hazards is crucial for implementing effective mitigation strategies. This presentation will show about the safeties and preventions to stop pipeline hazards. Uh, on to the next slide. Understanding pipeline hazards. Pipeline hazards include leaks, ruptures, corrosion. These issues can lead to catastrophic events affecting both human safety and environmental integrity. Identifying these hazards is the first step in developing effective integration strategies. So next one is a regulatory framework. So compliance with the regulatory frameworks is essential for pipeline safety. Key regulations include the Pipeline Safety Act and Environment Protection Agency guidelines. Understanding these regulations help organizations align their practices with legal requirements. Risk assessment techniques. Effective risk assessment techniques such as HAZOP, hazard operability study, and FMEA, failure mode and effects analysis are vital. These methods help identify potential hazards and evaluate the severity and likelihood of incidents. uh, monitoring technologies, monitoring technologies like smart pigs and fiber optic sensor plays a crucial role in detecting pipeline anomalies. These tools provide real-time data, allowing for timely inventions to prevent hazardous situations. Emergency responses plan. Developing and regularly updating emergency responses plans is essential. These plans should include clear protocols for responding to incidents, ensuring that all personnel are trained to act swiftly and effectively in the crisis situation. Uh, Next, Ashit will explain the next topics.
Okay, so basically employee training programs. So employee training programs include comprehensive like basically uh, you have to train your employees for anything which is going to happen which indicates a pipeline failure or indicates a pipeline leakage or something like that. So these trainings should contain a lot of like simulations containing hazard recognition, emergency procedures, and compliance with safety protocols. So this will create the like there will be you know there'll be some awareness within the staffs like regarding the pipeline leakages and pipeline hazards. Moving to the next slide. So next is regular inspections and maintenance. Within every short period of time, there should be inspections done by a specific inspection committee, and maintenance if there is any problem, or every time there's a check, like this is a maintenance check, and this should happen very regularly because in maintenance checks you can find very small fractures, small cracks, which if you found it earlier will save you from very huge potential risks, and this establishing this a very routine check will make sure that the pipeline accidents will stay low. Okay, the next slide. Okay, next one is a community engagement. Engaging the community is essential for pipeline safety because open communication about the pipeline operations and potential hazards foster trust and allows for collaborative efforts in safety initiatives. So when you talk about the pipeline safety with people, this fosters a collaboration, something called a mutual understanding between everyone. So if something like this happens, it's easy to go for the further steps. Next one is sustainability practices. Sustainability practices, seeing the title, you can understand it saying that it is something which you do, such as green technology and eco-friendly materials, which will significantly improve safety and compliance. So this will not only enhance the safety but also minimize the environmental impact. For example, something such as instead of using a very high chemical which is very toxic, you can use something which is like natural. For example, instead of using a gas which is very flammable or very dangerous for pipelines, you can use something like CNG, compressed natural gas, which is not as dangerous as it. So moving to the next slide. So technological innovations are which is keep us to date. So right now you can see like there's a demand of AI, machine learning, blockchain technology everywhere. There's a lot of boom in the society. So these help us, transform the pipeline safety into a huge. It'll make this a huge success. So these technologies are now predictive maintenance and enhance the ability to foresee and mitigate potential hazards. So for example, if you use AI, the AI will tell you how a pipeline leak might start, how like what are the further stages, all that things, which will make sure that in future it's easy to identify and move further with other instructions. So conclusion, future outlook. In conclusion, yeah. So pipeline hazards are very dangerous in the world. Like we have seen in like old, like there are a lot of real life examples itself. For example, the Bihar gas incident, all this stuff. So mitigating pipeline hazards require a multifaceted approach that includes regulatory compliance, advanced technology, and community involvement. By prioritizing safety and adopting innovative strategies, for example, yeah, routine checks, using different materials, making sure that it's not clumsy, everything is arranged properly. You can ensure the a safer future for pipeline operations. And not only this, and we can save many lives being lost. Thank you.